Here's the Weed Under Microscope exterior herb grinder, and what it is on the exterior it has weed under a microscope put on. It's very lovely, green and red. It's also very tall. That's what I noticed right away. It's the tallest herb grinder I've ever seen. It's very wide. And anyway, it's got a lot of sharp teeth where you put your product in here, put the lid down and crank it. It also has on the bottom, after you get done grinding, you have your pollen catcher here. And this is the screen that it falls through, the small particles, and you would use your scraper here, which it does come with, to scrape the fine particles. But anyway, it's a lovely herb grinder. It works great, and I highly recommend it. You can read more about it on my blog at www.jerry1962'sblog@weebly.com. Thank you very much.